start a new life with peace everywhere, right from the start until the end. I believe.
Welcome back, you guys. Do you know which word we're going to take today? Today's word is... So let's turn it to the simple form. This form, the word in front of you, is used as a noun and also the adjective. So how do we pronounce it? Well, the British pronounce it aesthetic. Aesthetic. While American pronounce it aesthetic. Aesthetic. So we have aesthetic and aesthetic. Okay, so aesthetically or aesthetically is the adverb. Most adverbs end with ly. Okay, now we have a lovely view. How do we describe this view using our word aesthetically? Aesthetically, aesthetically. Now this man is thinking, well, this view is aesthetically pleasing or aesthetically pleasing. So he's describing its beauty and how everything looks, and that's what's pleasing to him. Not, for example, that it's comfortable. No, he's more concerned with how it makes him feel, how the beauty and art of a certain scene or painting or object feels. And that is how we usually use aesthetically, aesthetically. Aesthetically, aesthetically. Okay.
One day I can reach that rainbow, watch the sweet reflection shining of my first home. I'd give anything to see my family again and say how much I love them. That's all I imagine. One day I wish I could go back tomorrow, if it's only for just 1 second. Put warmth back into a town that's frozen. I can smile because the pain has gone, but cry because it's where I'm from. Oh God, I turn to you to make me strong again. Oh, one day I can reach that rainbow, watch the sweet reflection shining on my first home. I'd give anything to see my family again and say how much I love them. That's all I imagine. I have cried so many times, and all those tears have washed my eyes. Now I see clearly into the light, 'cause I believe. I know one day I'll be home again to start a new life with peace everywhere, right from the start until the end. I believe that one day I can reach that rainbow.